Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add a Coverflow Elementor Carousel slider for free. To achieve this, we will use a free plugin called Prime Slider. First, open your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins section. Click on Add New, then search for Prime Slider in the search bar. Once you find it, click Install Now and activate the plugin. After activation, go to the Prime Slider settings in your WordPress menu. From here, enable the Tango slider type. This slider allows you to display your content in a carousel or Coverflow style, perfect for showcasing products or images. Now, open the Elementor editor for the page where you want to add the carousel. In the left-hand widget panel, look for the Tango widget under Prime Slider. Drag and drop the Tango widget into the desired section of your page. Once added, you can configure the widget settings. Under the layout options, adjust the slider design to fit your website style. In the slider settings, you can add images, titles, and links for each slider item. After completing the adjustments, click Update to save your changes and preview the page to see your new interactive slider in action. This method is simple, effective, and free to use. Prime Slider is lightweight and won't slow down your website. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.